Of course, it's left to you. Whatever you want to do with your life, it's your life. If you don't like eating salads or veggies, that is your choice. But what I want you to know is that whatever choices we make, there are consequences, and you're going to live with them. If you want to research your metabolism and have a healthy life, please, I encourage you to try raw food. This is day 27 of raw food. It's been an interesting journey. My body loves it. My health is better. And I hope that you too can learn from this and give your body proper nutrition. It's raw salad. No dressing. You may be wondering, how can I eat without dressing? Have some avocado in it. Some grapes. You can use mango, pineapple, or any other fruit. You don't need salad dressing at all. You don't. Try eating raw. It's going to change your life.